Welcome all of the viewers, all of the students. Today I am going to discuss about the significant figures and also known as the significant digits. So how many significant figures, how many significant digits in any number, whether the number prescribed decimal and doesn't prescribe the decimal. So now come to the point. So today your topic is significant figure and this is also known as the significant digit. So in brief, it is represented as a significant figure / significant digit, and significant figure numerically equal to the reliable digits plus one uncertain digit or one doubtful digit. So what is the relevant of the reliable digits? How can you distinguish the uncertain or doubtful digits? And it is based on the list count. So for simple example, I am going to focus on the doubtful digit or uncertain digit. So now consider a meter scale simply, and 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. When the length is measured by this scale like that, and the indicator is here. So this is the 1 centimeter, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So 1.6 centimeter, and this one 1.7 centimeter. So the measurement or the scale shows the clear-cut message about the length of the rod. More than 1.6 centimeter and less than 1.7 centimeter. But someone added the digit like 1.64 centimeter. So this 4 centimeter is doubtful digit. So reliable and plus one certain. So total significant figure in this context, 3 significant figures, and last one is the doubtful digit as according. Someone it may write 1.64, someone it may write 1.65, and this such types of the measurement is due to the list count, the value equal to 0.1 centimeter. So the different instruments, different device having the different list counts. So there are the different types of the significant digits, significant figures. Now come to the numbers, and to differentiate the significant figure or digits. So there are the different types of the process. So without any confusion, I would like to explain on the basis of the whether the number having decimal or not, without decimal or with decimal. So first of all, the whole of the numbers are divided into the two parts, and first part for non-decimal number, ऐसा नंबर जिसमें decimal नहीं है, and second part for decimal number. तो एक ऐसा नंबर होगा जिसमें decimal नहीं है और एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें decimal कंटेन्स कर रहा है. तो हम लोग दो रूल केवल हम लोग यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं, रूल फर्स्ट, रूल सेकेंड. Rule first for non-decimal number and rule 2 for decimal number. So, sorry, this one is the non-decimal, for decimal and for non-decimal number. So here rule first for decimal number and rule second for non-decimal number. If the numbers like that, but there is no any decimal, no any point is mentioned as the decimal in the collection of the numbers. And here the rule second, first non-zero digit to last non-zero digit. First non-zero से last non-zero तक. Just a minute. So first non-zero digit to last non-zero digit. So for example, first and last. So there is only 2 significant number. Here the total 1010, but the rule first non-zero to the last non-zero, only 3. All of the non-zero, first to last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 significant digits. So here, first to last, 3. There is first and this is also the last. So there is single one. Here is 1 and this also contains 1 significant digit. So significant figure, significant digit can be differentiated by the simple rules if there is no decimal is offered in the numbers. So the first non-zero digit to last non-zero digit decides what be the actual number of the significant figure or the significant digit. Now come to the next, and this one is the rule first. So for decimal number, if any number contains the decimal and the number contains the decimal, and for this first non-zero to last either non-zero or zero. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है कि इसमें नॉन जीरो फर्स्ट से लेकर लास्ट नॉन जीरो जब आएगा, सो द टोटल नंबर्स आर टेकन एज द सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर और सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स, एंड हियर certainly the first non-zero number. So the number starts to count for significant digit. There must be the non-zero number. So now come to the example. First non-zero to last either non-zero or zero. Non-zero है तो भी और लास्ट में जीरो है तो भी. उसके लिए देखिए फर्स्ट non-zero and last. So there is the 3 significant figure. Here first non-zero to last 1, 2, 3, 4. First non-zero to last 1, 2, 3 and last whether zero or non-zero, so 4. First non-zero is 6 and last either 0 or non-zero 8, so 1, 2, 3. And last one, first non-zero 6 to last either 0 or non-zero 3. And here first non-zero to last either 0 or non-zero 2. Here first non-zero 1, 2 and last it may be 0 or number 1, 2, 3 significant digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figure, and so 3, 4, 4. So this is the very simplest approach to differentiate, to distinguish the significant figures, to find out the significant figures, significant digits. Now come to the another thing. If the any measurement is like 6 meter and 6 meter is equal to the 600 centimeter, 6 meter if divided by 1000, 0.006 kilometer, and 6 meter in terms of mm, 6000 mm. And according to the 600 centimeter, so there is one significant number and 6 into 10 to the power 2. This significant figure, as according to this rule, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3, and here 6 into 10 to the power 3 mm. No change in the digit. So power of 10 is irrelevant, and hence the significant digit is only 1. So this rule third indicates power of 10 is irrelevant when any measurement is clear and measured by the meter scale like 6 meter but actually converts into the centimeter, mm and kilometer, and in terms of the notation like that, then there is no change in the significant figure whatever with the different value in terms of the exponent of the 10 or power of the 10. One thing, but sometimes there is the very doubt about the significant figure when if 600 mm, if 600 mm is any measurement, but there is no indication about the instrument by which it is measured. At that moment, it is very difficult, and sometimes it may be 3 significant digits. If the same instrument, same physical quantity, same length is measured in centimeter like that, by the meter scale, by the mm, by the centimeter, so naturally 2 digits, 3 digits. उस मोमेंट में आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा कि जब कोई 600 का इंडिकेशन है लेकिन ये पता नहीं है कि किस इंस्ट्रूमेंट से मेजर किया हुआ है और उसका लिस्ट काउंट क्या है। उस मोमेंट में आपके लिए ये डिसाइड करना बहुत मुश्किल हो सकता है। उस समय 600 आपका यहाँ पर सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर चेंज भी कर सकता है। एज अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल हम लोग अगर देखते हैं कि अगर हम लोग किस स्केल से मेजर करते हैं, जैसे इसको हम लोग यहाँ देखें कि 600 सेंटीमीटर के लिए या इतना mm के लिए हम लोग इस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग इसको काउंट कर लेते हैं। बट समटाइम्स इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट इफ इट इज मेजर्ड इन द mm, if measured in the centimeter, so there must be the change in the significant figure.